Hello everyone, welcome back. I know it's been a while for an update, but here we go. Larry's officially complete with the van build. There may be a few modifications as we use the van and figure out what works for us. It's been about 2 years, not 2 years straight, but 2 years since we bought the van. We'll enter back into the bedroom area and work from the back forward. As you see in the back, by the back windows, there are bug screens so we can have the back doors open and the screens up. We have overhead cabinets. They're open right now because it's 108 degrees inside the van. So we're trying to keep it a little cooler. On the ceiling, there are the ceiling slats, and he's installed a MaxxAir fan to keep the air moving, which is good because today is about 108 degrees. We installed curtains so we can have a little light. We can have a little privacy also. There's the MaxxAir fan. And as we move along here, there's a control panel for the MaxxAir fan. And we got the turn overland windows. The company is in Prescott, Arizona. Here we have a magnet board, so we can put magnets from all of our travels. And we have the Tetons, Yellowstone, Idaho, already up. Moving over to the shower, we have just a portable toilet for emergencies. It's not plumbed in or anything. We have a Nautilus shower door, which squeegees itself. It's kind of a nice feature. Over here we have the sink and the galley area, I guess you would call it, with all the holes on the cabinets. The microwave, that blue film does come off. We just had it on for protection for the van build. Stainless steel microwave, and that's the pan drawer. So we have plenty of storage for now. This is cleaning supplies, and every van has to have a junk drawer. That's what this drawer is. We have some electrical outlets throughout the van. And then we have the sink and the butcher block tops. This is our pull-out pantry. And we have our isotherm marine grade refrigerator. It has a coating on there also to protect it. We'll take that off eventually, but it's stainless steel with a butcher block countertop, and our coffee pot will go in the corner there. I made this sign. It's kind of fitting for us because we both love to travel and explore. Then we have an overhead cabinet, which is open also because of the temperatures. Put some little curtains on the windows to try to keep it a little privacy. And here's the window, has a shade for bug screen I should say, and blackout shade. Those are going to be nice at night. We have AC on the ceiling, and then he finished all the puck lights and the slats. Here we're going to install a stereo eventually, and more electrical and trim work that has been completed. Overhead storage above the cab driver area, and we have blackout shades on the windows, and he purchased some slats to let air inside the van. They have little screens on them. We have a step stool. He installed seat rail on the floor, which is going to be great. We're going to be taking a 3-week trip. My mom's going to be going along with us to the Oregon coast, so we can have the third person in the van. That's our van build for now. Thanks for following our journey. We look forward to letting everybody know what's going on. This is a bug screen that goes down at night so we can have the van door open, and it closes by magnets. So next video will be on electrical system and our garage area. So keep following. Maybe we'll have some of our trip. It's kind of as it is because I'm not super editor. But don't forget, live life.